In this guide, we are going to show you how to recover your Safepal wallet using the Safepal app. So in case you lost access to your wallet, you can simply recover it by navigating to the top of your screen. Then go ahead and tap on Add Wallet. So in this case, we are going to be recovering a software wallet. You'll then be given a chance to create a new wallet, import one, or recover one if you already backed it up to iCloud or Google Drive. So in case you didn't back it up, you can then choose to import your wallet. You'll then be given various options that you can use depending on how you created your wallet. So for example, if you used a mnemonic phrase, you would simply select that option, then go ahead and input the phrase that was given to you when you were creating your wallet. And without this, recovering your wallet is simply impossible. So always make sure to keep it safe. So simply enter the phrase in the exact order it was given to you. And once you're done, you can then choose a name for your wallet, then finally tap import. And your wallet will then be successfully recovered. In case you used any other method when creating your wallet, simply select the appropriate option and continue with the steps. So that's simply how to recover your wallet on Safepal. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.